How to pump gas in the Toyota RAV4. Close your door. Get that ready. Put that in there like that. And prompts. No. Yes. Oop. Yes. Lift nozzle. Looks like a grade. Like that. Like that. Pump. Wait. Alright, now you pump and pump. You just wait. You pump, pump, pump. Pump, pump, pump until it shuts off by itself. That means because it's got a shut-off valve in the car, and it'll just shut off, and then that's when you stop pumping. It'll shut off by itself, and then you stop. If you keep pumping, you're going to overflow it, and you'll have gas everywhere. So right now, gas is super cheap, and sorry you have to look up my nose, but it's just a convenient way to do a video on your phone. And so this is pumping gas and a Toyota RAV4, and just having a good time. I paid by card, as I showed you. Put the card in, pull it out, and then you select everything. All right, stop. And now, all right, so pull that out, put that back up there, and then you go to clicks once, like that. All right, seat done. Alright, that's how you pump gas in a Toyota RAV4. You pump it, and then when it shuts off, it'll shut off by itself. So, and the tricky part is to watch out for pedestrians and vehicles as you're exiting the gas station. And gas right now is super cheap. It's so cheap, I didn't even look at the price. And I always gotta remember to put my debit card or credit card or whatever I'm using back in my wallet. So I'll leave it in my pocket, and then it won't be in my wallet, and then I might accidentally wash my jeans later for tomorrow morning, and I might accidentally wash a credit card or a debit card, which I've done before, and go through the washer and the dryer, and then it'll come out, and most of the time it comes out unscathed and clean and nothing happened or whatever, but sometimes it's a whole different ball game. You might accidentally wash a wallet. Now, washing a wallet and it going through the washer and dryer, I've done that before, and it doesn't really ruin much. You'll have to dry out your cash. You'll have to put the cash in. Well, you'll just have to have your cash dry out, but it can ruin some documents and make the ink fade, and it's not a good thing to do. You have to let it dry out, and you can't manipulate or move the cash around, because it'll break it apart. It'll crinkle and cut it open. Well, not cut it open. It'll what's the word I'm looking for? It'll tear it. It'll tear the dollar bill, $20 bill, $5, whatever it is, the cash. And once you do that, you're